Okay, so we have the 50 watt solar panel there. Just going into the garage. There's the battery, 44 amp hour. That's the charge controller. What it's drawing at the moment, 1.6 amps. So it's 12.5 volts near enough what it's charging at, 0.7 amps. Voltage of the battery. The amps that it's using, 1.6 amps at the moment. It's quite a cloudy day. There's your light switch for your lights. Got one there. Strip lights across here. And light here above the workstation. This light's 240 volt, it's now redundant. Just a quick review of the solar setup. Renogy.